Just got laid off? You are definitely not alone. But here's how to never worry about it again. Hi, my name is Jeff, and in addition to being a husband and a father, I worked on the people side of the tech industry for almost 2 decades, and layoffs have been devastating for so many people over the past few years. But instead of stressing, what if I told you this could be your opportunity to create real financial freedom? Yeah, I'm talking about building an online business that works for you. And here's the best part. You can do it from anywhere. As long as you've got Wi-Fi, you're golden. What if I told you you can make a 6-figure income working only 2 hours a day? And no, it's not a scam. It's all about mastering digital marketing. Yeah, I used to think you needed to work 9 to 5 to make ends meet. Now you can create a passive income stream that keeps flowing even when you're at the lake. The truth is, yes, layoffs can feel like the end, but it could be the beginning of something so much bigger. Let me show you how to build an online business, work from home, and create a life of freedom. Are you ready to take control of your future? Say yes in the comments. Let's get started.